This is a stupid notion. Feelings are a healthy reaction, not some stupid form of entrapment. In a friends with benefits relationship, you are doing intimate activities with someone who already has a relationship established. Friendship is a relationship that isn't unlike dating. Both require trust. You go out with friends. You may share intimate stories or details with both sets of people. So if you want to avoid feeling anything ever, my advice would be stop the friends with benefits relationship or become a sociopath. Also, if catching feelings, or feeling a desire for more of a relationship with your friend is not an option, then you can't blame the friend for refusing a different arrangement. They offered friends with benefits, probably because they didn't want to take you anywhere like a date would. They didn't want to necessarily introduce you to family or friends. And they didn't want a commitment with you. Also, they probably did want the ability to keep looking for someone they are willing to share these things with. If that's not an acceptable arrangement, then leave it. Say this is not what you want anymore. That's your right.